Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to Dr. Lam and Dr. Faiz. Today I will present about the coding for the Tic Tac Toe. Okay, I will start now. So this Python code implement a basic Tic Tac Toe player using the minimax algorithm. And then I will explain the main component and functionalities of the code. So for the constant, XO represent the player in the tic-tac-toe game. Empty represent as empty space on the game board. And then initial state function, it will return the starting state of the tic-tac-toe board as 3 times 3 grid with all element initialized to empty. Okay, then for the player function, it takes the current board as input and return the player either X or 0 who has the next turn, and then it's count the number of X and 0 on the board to determine the next player. Okay, after that the action function is to return a set of all possible action, empty space on the current board. So for the result function, it will take the current board and action as input and return to as a new board in the specified action applied. And then the function doesn't modify the original board. It will create a deep copy and applies the action to the copy. And then a winner function is it will check the row and column and diagonal to determine if there are any winner, and then and then it will return the winner X or O if there's one, otherwise return none. Okay, so and then next for the utility function, it will return the utility value for the current board. It return 1 if X has 1 and -1 if 0 has 1 and 0 otherwise. It will handle the case where the board is not terminal. Okay, and then the minimax function as return the optimal action for the current player using the minimax algorithm. If the current player is X, it call maximum. If it's 0, it call minimum value. So for the last function is maximum and minimum value function. So this helper function for the minimax algorithm. Maximum value return the maximum utility value and corresponding action for X, and then minimum value return the minimum utility value for corresponding action for 0. Okay, both function are recursion to explore possible move and determine the best action. So this code use the terminal function to check if the game is over or not, but it seems to have a redundant condition in the return statement. The condition not an empty in sublist for sublist in board and winner board is none is essentially to check if the board full, if there any no winner, and the winner board is not none but sufficient to check for a winning condition, so the condition can be simplified. So that's all the coding explanation from me, and then I will show you how to play tic-tac-toe. Okay, so now I will start to play the game after run the coding.